Just wondering. I can't believe it. 8 people are here to watch me play this. So, to be honest, the most people I've had that wanted to play or watch me play Ratchet and Clank is about 3 or 4. But seeing 7 people want me to play this game, it's actually quite amazing. You guys are really amazing. I love you guys a lot. Die, turret! Nice! Level up! You really need a bigger budget. What do you mean? Oh, you're talking about my mic? If so, then yeah. I am planning on getting a microphone. You know, like the one you hold to your mouth, but I found a cheap one on Walmart. I mean, it's better than the one I have now. Anything probably better than the one I have now. But, like the ones you see people on stage that are holding, I'm thinking about getting one of them, but with a stand. Getting one with a stand, so I should be sounding a lot better than I am now. Yeah. Plus, I'm trying to get a bicycle so I don't have to be dependent with cars. That's the main thing. I'm trying to get more exercise, and plus, well, to be honest, my dad and I had an argument one time. He was saying like, "Oh, you're wasting my time getting groceries and stuff." So basically, get this. I've actually been wanting to start walking to work. Then all of a sudden he brought it up. I just took his offer. Like, well, you're the one that pulled it up. So, basically I'm wasting no one's time now. Yeah. Oh, I actually, about that. I'm using an Elgato capture card right now. So let's say there's no way. I tried OBS, but it got too confusing. Oh yeah, that's right. I completely forgot about the thingy leveling up. Sorry about that. I also have asthma, and trust me, I have a whole lot of stuff wrong with me. Let's see, what kind of medical problems I have. I have Tourette's, I have ADHD, Tourette's, ADHD, tics, the tics that like, I feel like I need to cough, but actually I don't. You know, like clear my throat. And I have asthma. I am allergic to cigarette smoke, pretty much. Oh, I remember these guys only shouldn't load at the floor. Don't shoot at the friggin' dropship, you moron! Shoot at the enemies! Shocking. I already thought I got that from the whack-a-mole thing. Whack-a-swarm. Place a shield over him, and we're good to go. That's basically what the shield is useful for. Like if they're like if they're turning a single bolt crank, then it's perfect because he's shielded. No need to worry about him dying because hey, he's shielded. Oh, I forgot you guys can stand in water. Yeah, that sucks. Okay. I did not touch it. You guys saw that. For safety purposes. Shield! Amazing. Splendid. No trap has been set. Oh snap. I literally ran right into that one. Literally. Oh snap. Oh, relax. Too many turrets. Nice. It's almost leveled up. And it's leveled up. Okay, let me pause for a second and let me catch up with you guys. Pick. Hey, how's it going? Shock mod. Yeah, that's what I mean. Shock mod for that. You are playing the best game in the universe. Yeah, I like this game. I used to play this game a lot when I was a child. Question, how many of them are from... I'm not sure. I can't really tell because each one has a username. How many guys are actually from the Ratchet Clank Professionals? Oh, you're not talking about my mic. I'm talking about all those cool effects streamers like Tom Fox have. Yeah, I have an Elgato capture card. There's no way of me doing that. I tried OBS, but it's a... I can't remember what it is. Operative Broadcasting System or something. I can't pronounce. I don't know what it is, but Honeyplay uses it. I tried getting a following notification system on my laptop or something, but I just can't really find the right one. Oh, there's one over there. We'll make it quick. We'll make it quick and painless. Psych! We're gonna make it slow and painful. The ATLUS loves slow and painful. Alright, morons. Get to hacking. Or wrenching. Nice. Okay, Muffin Whip is from the Ratchet Clank Professionals. Nice. Took 8 minutes. 9, rounding it off to the closest minute. Okay, Assault on the Frozen Tundra. Yeah, let's do that one. Oh! Oh, never mind. I imagine it'd be something like scoring with the Blarg. Charge! Ow. That sucked. But hey, it's obliterating them, isn't it? Activate the freaking thingy. And I'm getting hungry. Seriously, I ran out of ravioli cups to eat for lunch. So... and I've just started drinking coffee. So... oh snap, you do a lot of damage. Time to resort into something more... something stronger. Remember guys, hit that follow button if you guys want to chat out at the end of the stream. I think it's a bit too late, but... like I said... it might be a little bit too late. I could be on time. But, like, then again, who knows? Silencer! Nice. Suck it! You're still alive? Not anymore. Boom! I love that whole dramatic slow motion thing. That was pretty awesome. You know how it was like a little laggy at the end? It looked like a slow motion thing from a movie. Like, I'm blasting you! And you like dodge out of the way. Classic. Alright, big fella. There is no way he survived that one. And we're dead. Okay, I guess it's time to stop going easy on these guys. Suck my freaking thingies! Ow. Okay, I got a plan. Watch out, my brain's gonna be smoking. I hate doing this, but I gotta do this. I don't think we need the aiming mod, do we? I mean, if we're going up close and personal, I don't think we're gonna need it. Oh wait. Damn it. Give me that. There, we can make the most out of the silencer. Whoa. Nice. Whoa. Okay. You gotta go. Oh! Oh, that's nice. It saves it. It saves whatever... I totally forgot we, or it saves whatever mods we turn. Or node. Seriously, we need some ammo. Or not ammo, but health. Suck that. Like Honey says, suck less, live more. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Then go all out, you evil man. Time to go all out on these evil suckers. Okay, this is not good. There we go, much better. Ah, oh, damn, itchy. Let's take a look at the map. We're pretty safe. I mean, not safe, just... Alright. If we can get this one, the rest should be easy. Suck my rockets. Boom. Nice, we did it. Goal has been accomplished. You can bite me, evil sucker, because we already got it. Hell no. That's why I don't really like this challenge. It's quite annoying. We're technically I'm wasting my bullets. These guys would be better off with the flux rifle. Or any matter rifle. Run, Ratchet, run! Oh, that's nice. All bunched up together in one place. Huh? Oh, you guys are new. Get the anti rifle. Nice. We did it! And it took us 1 minute. 1 minute to capture a node. Oh, look at all those dread points stacking up on there, all nice and pretty. Shoot to kill, that's it.
It's time for some maximum vehicular destruction. Drive hard and blast everything in sight.
I swear that the blaster is perfect for this challenge. You can block me all you want, evil sucker. It's not going to change a thing. There we go. Suck it! Alright, I guess. There we go. Come on. Hey, maybe one of these days we'll play Dragon Ball Xenoverse again, but instead we'll use a capture card. Oh snap, I totally forgot about these things. I always like to go for a perfect score. And we did it! Got them all. Suck it! Okay, let's check the email. Muffin Web, thank you for following. The ATLUS is very much grateful. Like a swarm, nice.
This next challenge is pure madness. Swarmer madness! Let's see how many enemies Ratchet can destroy before time runs out.
Technically, I don't even need to reload. I can just do this with, ooh, that made my arm feel weird. Basically, just stretched my arm and it made it feel, like, numb. Oh my god, this challenge is amazing for leveling up the Vulcan cannon or the, that whatever that bomb is. As long as you put a shock mod on it. Any weapon is perfect for this challenge. Come on, that can't be all you're giving me, Dread Zone. And we win. Dang, it took us 1 minute. Robots in a barrel. Oh yeah, now I remember now.
Some noise. It's time to kill or be killed in the Annihilator round. Ratchet must survive under relentless attack from wave after wave of lethal enemies.
Yeah, we can easily do that. Oh yeah, that's right. They can't attack by themselves. You have to actually look at the enemies. I learned that when I was training on Planet Seraphos at one time. It's like a whole bunch of enemies. You know that first challenge where like there's this glitch where you can send like a endless wave of those green guys, those green enemies. I basically learned that unless you're facing the enemies, the turrets won't work. Nice! I love it when they're like this. Quasar turret launcher! Okay. Now we can focus on leveling you up. I don't know whether to let you have those two or replace them with EXP mods. Boom! I think for now we'll let it keep it. Planet Orxon. Oh. This is the Blarg's home planet. Wait. The Blarg's home planet is the Shadow Sector? I think it is. Oh yeah, that's right. Shadow is not as, or the sector is not as big as a galaxy. I love this.
Across the galaxy, know that wearing the right pajamas can give you superpowers.
I'm Gamatron. My eyes shoot laser beams. I'm Reactor. I can eat metal. I'm Battlehawk. I can fly.
Oh, I love that part.
Sir, we have the latest sales figures.
Yeah, what's the bottom line?
Nobody is buying the new Ace Hardlight merchandise. In fact, sales are down across the board except for Fuzzy Lombax's ears.
We sell those?
Yes, sir. They're an accessory for the Tiny Tots assault weapons kit.
Well, you've obviously made some sort of idiotic mistake. Report to B-level for disintegration.
Yes, sir.
Wait.
Sir?
On your way there, tell the lab to set up a focus test. Find out why this stuff isn't selling.
I'll get right on that, sir.
I love that. That's hilarious. I'm Battlehawk. I can fly. Oh my god, I love that.
We're here.
Sir, permission to speak.
We are not here.
This place stinks.
What do you expect? This place is cannot be habitable
The choice of two different paths.
for life
I'm
forms.
afraid it's equally dangerous.
Nah, duh, cause... Oh, nice. Level up. And give me another ammo slot, man. Well, not duh, cause it goes in a complete circle. Or a square. I wonder if it'd be possible if we could activate both things at the same time. If I didn't have the shield link, I mean. Oh, y'all are going to die. Oh. See ya! I wonder what if the Rhino doesn't... Damn it, the Arbinger does not get him. The shock mod will. About time. Blast them in the next year. Oh yeah, I would so buy Fuzzy Lombax ears. I would so buy them. They should act... Insomniac... Oh, maybe they... Electrical rockets. Or whatever. But yeah. Who knows, maybe after when the movie is released in the US or after the game or so. Who knows, maybe they might actually start selling those in markets. Coming soon, Fuzzy Lombax ears for the little ones. How funny would that be if I started wearing it on stream? These morons are no match for the Rhino. Or the Arbinger. I keep on wanting to call it the Rhino for some reason. Die! Oh yeah. That power. Well, all of you here, I would like to introduce you to my bot, Osprobot.
I'm ready for some more carnage.
How's that for carnage? I think it's about time for at least 2. Can't remember what I had it on. Oh yeah, it was you. There we go. Oh, the chaos and destruction this weapon brings. But we seriously need to go back and get more ammo while they're hacking. Or do you think 2 would be more than enough? Was you guys done? Yeah, you guys were done. Otherwise, the saving thing will not come up. Yep. Well, Osprobot does all kinds of things. Here's a little thingy. Quote. Osprobot, can you give us a little taste of your power? Oh my god, I remember. I started rolling on the floor laughing as soon as they... I started laughing as soon as that one said that. You survived? I do not want to believe that. I refuse to believe that. Yeah, man, go do your homework. You need to do it, man. And don't worry, I broadcast every day from... Oh, dang, it is about time to end anyways. I'm going to end it here, actually. Let me save it, and then I'll do my shoutouts. Save. Slot 2. I'm going to my profile, and I'm going to do my shoutouts. I'll see you later, Muffin Whip. First, I'm going to refresh my email, make sure I didn't get any. Nope. Refreshing. You may experience a little bit of lag. Just hold on, it'll pass. Peeks. Kit Kat baby. Both my cats are in here. What do you know? I guess it does take a little time for email to go through too. Okay, I'm going to do my shoutouts. I didn't even take a break today. I just realized that. Hey, Kit Kat baby. Okay. Pick PK, thank you for following. Muffin Whip, thank you for following. All of y'all are good, are amazing. Robert R909, thank you for following. We got 3 new followers, unless you've already followed. If you just followed, then I think that you'll get a shout out tomorrow. Twitch is kind of slow when it comes to keeping up who followed and all that sort of junk. So I try to give you guys shout outs. So, yeah, thank you 3 for following, unless there's more of you guys. In that case, you guys will have a shout out tomorrow. I promise. So, Pick, PK, Muffin Whip, Robert, thank you for following. And those of you that followed, thank you. From yesterday, we got Scale 79. Thank you for following from yesterday. You guys, remember, you guys get 2 shout-outs. You know, reminding people how awesome you guys are. So then, Pick. Wait, hold on a minute, Pick. Damn it. Yeah, tomorrow's schedule. It's going to be RPG Friday. That means we're going to be playing Bloodborne. I've already started it about when it was just came out. But I just want to see how well I'd be good at it. Damn, hiccups. I just want to see how well I would do in it, which is probably like a big pain loop. And see how good it is. So far, it is enjoyable. It's alright. It's a good game. GG. But, like I said. Okay. That's pretty much tomorrow is going to be RPG Friday on the PS4. That means you'll be seeing my delicious, beautiful mug tomorrow. That's right. You guys will be seeing my delicious mug. Stupendous. Alright, let's see if we can get on a raid. Osperbot, do you mind doing that for me, buddy? Raid. Achilles. Wolfenstein? Let's see what Honey's going to be playing. I mean, that's a pretty good game. I think that's alright. But I'm wondering what Honey's going to be playing. If you do happen to go raid Honey, you'll love her. She is amazing. She's sweet. She's kind. She's just full of joy, even on Fridays, on Fright Nights. Oh yeah, that's another thing. Tomorrow is Fright Night with Honey Play. Oh, there it goes. Pick. Just showed up on my email. Oh, it won't say. Oh well. So yeah, I can't remember what she does. I think that she's gonna be doing something else, but probably not with anything with an Asia. So if you choose to raid Honey, I'm gonna be hosting her, or actually we'll host Achilles. So you guys go raid Achilles. Remember, tomorrow's RPG Friday. We're gonna be playing Bloodborne. And tomorrow night is going to be Fright Night with Honey Play. She's going to be playing Dread Out and Dead Island. So you guys have a good one. Go raid Achilles, and then after when he's done, I'm going to be hosting Honey Play. So that's it. I'm going to put on some music to exit things out. For those of you on YouTube, like, subscribe, follow me on Twitch. Link is going to be right below in the descriptions. And that is it. So till then, I'll see y'all tomorrow. And pray that I get my bike Wednesday. And I pray that I don't have to work Wednesday, because payday! And I'm going to be going to either Walmart or Kmart to get a new bike. And possibly a new helmet. See ya! Which reminds me, I need to get new music for my streams.